Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Find the power series radius of convergence quickly using the ratio test. Let us solve this problem now. First, we apply the ratio test by taking the limit of the absolute value of the next term divided by the current term. This helps us see how the coefficients behave. Next, we simplify the expression. Notice that the ratio of the polynomial parts goes to 1 as n grows. This leaves us with just the absolute value of x being small. Set the limit less than 1. This calculation shows the radius is exactly 1. Option B is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps carefully.